Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Missybeelondon. In this video, and you can see in the video here, I'm using co-washes from As I Am. The first one is the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash, and the second one is the As I Am Long and Luxe Growash. In this video, as you can see, I split it in half because I recorded separate videos of me using the products separately, but I thought let me just make it into one video and you can see on each side the video. The first one, the brown container one, which is the coconut co-wash, the original co-wash from As I Am. Actually, let me just let you watch me how I'm like showing you the consistency of each product. Ingredients include coconut oil, tangerine fruit extract, castor oil, saw pimento, and this word right here, hopefully I pronounce it right, phytosteroid. It is a natural plant-based ingredient, helps with thinning hair and hair loss. As you can see on the side with the brown container with the coconut co-wash, I really was not applying this co-wash in my hair effectively. That is the word, and that is how I improved my technique for future videos, because I used the red container Long and Luxe after many weeks after, when the coconut co-wash had run out. But the way how I'm putting it in my hair literally, and the way how, thank goodness I recorded videos, I'm just whacking this thing in my hair literally like it's a hair grease, but it's not a hair grease, it's a co-wash which is meant to cleanse your scalp and cleanse your hair. But I'm putting this product in like it's a cream on my hair, and yes, I massaged it a little bit, but I don't really put the product directly on my scalp to cleanse it effectively than how I'm doing on the other side with the red container, the Long and Luxe Growash. I literally separated my hair straightly ish and put it on my scalp section by section, then I massaged it in with my hands and all that as well, compared to the other side with the brown container. Again, I'm putting it in my hair. Literally, it's not a hair grease, it is not a it's not a leave-in conditioner, it's not a styling product. I'm here cursing myself right now, literally, but I'm thankful that I recorded this video, because I improved for the next future video, thank goodness for that. But yeah, as you can see with the red container side, I am putting it in section by section again. But let me go through my little review on both of the co-washes. Again, with the coconut co-wash, it smells nice. It reminds me reminiscent of holiday, because I think, you know how they put the coconut fragrance in sun lotion and it makes you remind you of the holiday and all that stuff. That's what it reminds me of. And you can smell the scent of tangerine as well, and it's not overpowering. My hair felt soft during and after using the product, after washing it out of my hair, the coconut co-wash, my hair felt good, easy to wash out, even though I put so much in my head. Brown container side, look at my head right now, literally, but it was easy to wash out anyway. Cleanse my hair thoroughly, thank goodness for that. Both of the co-washes I use 3 times because I am a little bit heavy handed, because I've got many other products to use, but I guess it can last maybe up to 4 or 5 times, depends how you use it. If you use the technique that I'm doing on the red container side, just put it on your scalp section by section, not really much on the hair strand itself, because it will get cleansed during the washing out process anyway. It's mainly to cleanse your scalp, the co-wash is there for anyway. So yeah, it depends how you use the products. Both products gave my hair good slip as well, so thank goodness for that. But literally, I'm a little bit embarrassed actually watching the video of the brown container side and how I just putting this thing in my head, how my head look. You can see the product in my hair like so much. But yeah, let me go through my little notes for the red container side, which is the Long and Luxe Growash. Ingredients include pomegranates, passion fruits, biotin, caffeine, shea butter, jojoba seed oil, keratin, castor oil, phytosteroids again. It is a natural plant-based ingredient, helps with thinning of the hair and hair loss. This product has a different smell compared to the coconut co-wash. It is more fruity because the pomegranate and the passion fruit, but it is not overpowering. The smell reminds me of tropical fruit drink. Literally, if I had to compare the smell to something, it reminds me of tropical fruit drink. Not orange juice, not pineapple juice, but tropical fruit drink. It smells very lush and nice if you like a fruity smell. Yes. My hair felt good with the product in my head. Made it easy to detangle my hair as well, which I noticed more because I guess the technique that I use for the red container side compared to the other side were both different techniques. But yeah, my hair was easy to detangle anyway. Easy to wash out, even though I can be a little bit heavy-handed with the product in my hair, but easy to wash out. I used this one 3 times again because I'm heavy-handed. You know, the less you use per wash session, the longer it lasts, but I've got so much things to use. Good slip as well. I'm happy with both products, but if I had to choose a favorite, I would choose the Luxe Growash, the red container. I'm saying containers because I don't know which side would be which when I put this video out on YouTube, so I'm just referring to them on the container side. Hence why I put the little pictures at the bottom of the video so you can see which one I'm talking about. My facial expressions as well, literally. I recorded these videos last year, 2019, the end of 2019. Yeah, I'm only doing the voiceover in February 2020. Literally, I took long, life got busy, blah blah blah. I only figured out how to do the split screen effect recently as well, which is coming very useful, because if it wasn't for that, this video would have been like longer, literally longer. But I do like my technique on the red container side, the Luxe Growash as well. Yes, it might take a little bit longer, the technique, but at least you're using the product more effectively and you're cleansing your scalp more effectively as well. What am I doing there? I'm showing that it's empty, the coconut wash, because I used the coconut wash when it was empty. I went on to the Luxe one. Here's my continuation from the Luxe co-wash because it took a little bit longer. Here's me. I don't even know what I'm doing in my video right now. Oh, I'm still doing the back of my head. Oh yeah, that's a bit embarrassing not knowing what I do in my video, but like I said, I recorded this video like 2 months ago. But yeah, still putting it in the back section. Yeah, I could turn around and make you see what I'm doing, but you know what, life is easier if I'm doing it how I'm doing it right now. Just still making the sections. I didn't use a comb because I went by my hand. The lines that had to be straight. You're just putting this product in your hair, that's it. Just make sure the sections are good amount, even amount in each section. That is it. And make sure the product is on your scalp, and make sure you massage your scalp to remove the debris, the dead cells, the grease and all the other products build up on your scalp as well. Now you can see me giving my head a good massage. It looks kind of quick because I did speed it up in the video, but yeah. I'm still putting more in. This is what I mean when I say I'm heavy-handed. I didn't need to do this yet, but for some reason I wanted to put more in my head because I just couldn't help it, literally. But hey ho, what did I say? I've got other products to use, that's my excuse. But by right, I could have just stopped where I was, but I just couldn't help it, literally. I'm just laughing right now. But yeah, you see my hands glide through my hair easily because it's easy to tangle just with my fingers. No comb involved, no brush involved, even though I'm going to use a brush soon to try something out, but you'll see that soon. What is your favorite co-wash? If you guys were with me from like 2018-17, I was not a big fan of co-washes, but I've become a fan of co-washes again. Like literally, can you believe this? I like a co-wash, literally. It's all good. It literally depends on the product that you're using and everything, but yes, I like a good co-wash. Easy finger detangling, literally. It looks like it's just going through my hands like a glide. My hands are going through my hair, easy, twisting around on my lovely swivel comb as usual. Did I just say comb? I meant on my twisting swivel chair. I don't know, I'm just saying a lot of things right now, innit? Hey, just waiting for the bit that I try to do a little something with the brush. And we're getting close to the end of the video as well. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something from this video as well, because I have. Even though I'm the one doing this video, but I have. That's why I like to do videos, because I can observe what I'm doing. If I'm making any mistakes, improve those mistakes for next time. I'm showing you the tub again. I'm showing you what's inside the tub. Okie dokie. I don't know, I'm being sarcastic to myself now. Hey. Getting close to the end of this video. Yes, look what I'm saying. I'm trying this thing with a brush. It's not a real Demon brush. I got it cheap in the hair shop. You know that thing when I make the curls pop? I'm here trying to make that curl pop. It did a little bit, but I'm guessing it's the technique, how much hair is in the brush, how much product is on my hair, yada yada yada. But yeah, I tried. Maybe it's not type 4B/C friendly, but I tried anyway. Getting close to the end of the video now. Thank you for watching and everything. Hope you come back soon. Give me some feedback in the comments below. What do you think? What is your favorite co-wash? What is your favorite deep conditioner to use? Who is your favorite hair care brand? Let me know. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the music and enjoy the rest of this video. If you're new as well, don't forget to press the red button. More hair videos to come. I got hair, literally. I do videos. That is what I do. Thank you anyway, and goodbye.